Hello everyone, I'm Channel 3 meteorologist Greg D with a web weather update here on my Facebook page and Twitter feed. We'll start off with the radar tonight because that's been very active, seeing rain now, especially east and northeast of Cleveland, the western and southwestern areas of our viewing area, down toward Mansfield, Worcester, Millersburg, Elyria, starting to dry out a little bit. Maybe not so toward Elyria, but eventually you will as that rain continues to track northeast. Here's a closer look at all the activity. Akron, you're done. Cleveland's still seeing it. Shaker Heights, University Heights, Cleveland Heights over toward Mayfield Heights, Euclid up toward Mentor, heavy rain now, Rootstown, that's Portage over toward Trumbull County, Warren, Highway 422, US 6 there, southern Ashtabula County, northern Geauga County getting heavy downpours near Mesopotamia. That's all headed to the east into western Pennsylvania. The next thing to watch, an area of thunderstorms now in Wisconsin, Iowa, about to move into northern Illinois. Now in between those storms and us is a big break, and that's mainly the forecast for the overnight. These storms are possibly in the forecast for tomorrow morning. I think now looking at the latest data, the majority of this may miss us into Michigan and southern Ontario, but the southern extent of these storms could still graze northern Ohio, and that's why there may be some downpours as those head to the east early tomorrow morning. We can take you over to Future View and show you exactly what's going on here through tonight. We'll take you into tomorrow morning. Notice now the model backing away from seeing any downpours and storms. Look at that big temperature difference from downtown to Dover, temperatures in the upper 40s and 60s. By the afternoon, we'll see some showers and thunderstorms possibly develop, mid to upper 50s at the lakeshore, upper 60s and low 70s down south. Any thunderstorm that does develop tomorrow could be strong to severe. We're talking about gusty winds and some large hail. Now, by and large, the largest threat of these storms back to our west, Kansas, Missouri, over toward Oklahoma, but you'll notice here in northeast Ohio, the Storm Prediction Center using a new method of categorizing severe weather. They've now gone from slight, moderate, and high and added 2 additional levels of severe storms. That's marginal and enhanced. We're in the marginal category for tomorrow. That is as low as it gets, folks, even lower than slight, so maybe some hail and some gusty winds, but for most of us, this is not going to be an issue during your day on Wednesday. Then our attention shifts to the west, where we're watching a large area of low pressure now spinning across northern California. Look at the spin there, that area of low pressure. That's going to track across the Rockies, and because it's taking a route to our north and west, it'll really be able to tap into some warm, unstable air from the Gulf of Mexico, and that should really enhance our potential for not only heavy rain, but also some showers and thunderstorms, not just Wednesday, but also into Thursday. Let's go back to Future View. I showed you Wednesday already, so let's go ahead and get on into Thursday. And as you'll see here, areas of showers and thunderstorms Wednesday morning into Wednesday afternoon move away. Mild start early Thursday, temperatures in the 60s and 50s. And here comes Thursday afternoon, potentially a line of thunderstorms developing. These, again, could be strong to severe. I think damaging winds and hail would be the biggest threats from these. Notice that by 7 o'clock, they're mostly gone. So the worst of it coming between noon and 7 p.m. on Thursday. And hopefully we'll get the rain cleared out for Friday, though this model continues to indicate at least a potential for some rain in northeast Ohio through Friday morning. That does make me a little nervous for game time on Friday afternoon. I'm still working on that forecast for opening day. We'll start talking about that coming up tomorrow on WKYC News at 6, 7, and 11. But for now, I hope you have a good evening. Hope you get some good rain. Don't worry about the thunderstorms tonight. I'll have another update coming up tomorrow. Have a good one, everybody.